Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your about in WhatsApp. Firstly, launch the application and then just tap on the three dots on your right upper side. Then select settings and tap on your name on WhatsApp. Now as you can see, about sections it is your second selection. Just click on it, and if you click again on that pen side, and when you get off on this, when you go save, it says about can be empty. Now if you type for something, when you go save, it also has something, it is not with a blank or it's not deleted. What you can do, you need to just go out of your WhatsApp, you need to go to your browser, and you need to type on your browser, go for Multicare and go on the first site. And now you need to scroll down, and it says first of all you need to copy some hidden or magic text from the below button, copy magic text. Just type on copy magic text, and as you can see, it has been copied successfully. Go to about section, go on that picture, and just here you need to paste, and then you need to go for save. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.